Hello, my lovely children. Let's learn about the letter L. And this is letter L. And the sound of L is la, la. And L says la, la, lion. L says la, la, lemon. L says la, la, log. L says la, la, lotus. L says la, la, ladder. L says la, la, log. L says la, la, leaf. L says la, la, lamp. Let's revise. La, lion. La, lemon. La, log. La, lotus. La, ladder. La, lock. La, leaf. La, lamp. They all begin with la sound, and la is the sound of letter L. So dear children, they all are the friends of letter L. Thank you. Enjoy learning, children.